Congratulations on your decision to buy a house. Woohoo! But how much should you spend? Buying a house is emotional. But sometimes emotional decisions lead to bad decisions. You need to know how much you should spend to make sure you're making the right decision. Hi, this is Tim Meagher, and this is my fantastic wife, Heather Meagher, and we are the broker owners of RE/MAX, and today we are going to talk with you about how to look over all of your finances to make sure you are set with your budget and your monthly payment.
The first thing you want to do is break down every cost it takes to be a homeowner on a monthly basis. You see, the biggest mistake that people make is they assume the only cost they're going to have is their monthly mortgage payment, and that is not the case. The best way to start is to come up with a monthly budget for all of your housing expenses for the month, and then you back that into a purchase price that you're comfortable with.
All right, let's break down exactly what your monthly payment consists of. The largest payment and the biggest chunk of it is your mortgage. When you go to the bank or the mortgage company to get a loan, they give you the mortgage, and that consists of your principal and interest. This is a set monthly payment based on the life of the loan and the terms that you took out. It will not change. It stays the same for every month as long as that payment goes on. So the payment doesn't change. The only thing that does change is the amount of money from that payment that goes towards the principal and that goes towards interest. Every month you pay a little bit more towards the principal to pay that loan off in the future. The next largest expense each month will be your real estate taxes. Most mortgage companies and banks will require you to escrow a portion of your taxes each month. So you take your real estate bill, if it's $5,000 or whatever it is, divide it by 12. That 1/12 payment you include with your principal and interest each payment each month. That goes to the bank, they escrow your tax bill, and then they pay the tax bill for you at the end of the year. Another cost that you may have, depending on what type of mortgage you're getting and how much money you're putting down on the loan, is PMI, private mortgage insurance. This is insurance that the lender requires you to have in case you default or stop paying, which is bad. You get PMI or private mortgage insurance. You definitely want to talk with your lender about that. You can put more money down or have more equity in your home to avoid those costs. One big thing I want to talk to you about real estate taxes and the tax bill are taxes can range by 50%. Even with homes on the same block. You could have a home on one block in downtown Honesdale that has a tax bill of $3,000, and on the same block across the street, because the home had an addition put on or may have more square footage, the taxes could be double that. So you really need to pay attention based on what type of house you're getting. Take a look at how much the total taxes are before you look at that home, so you make sure that that's an affordable property for you.
One more thing you're going to want to look out for are H.O.A. dues, or homeowners association dues. They vary from community to community. Some are as low as $250 a year. They just cover road maintenance, and some are beyond $2,000 a year. The final thing you're going to want to look at is homeowners insurance, which is very important. And in our area, sometimes you may need flood insurance too. Homeowners insurance can range anywhere from $800 up to $2,000. Flood insurance can also be costly. Sometimes that's $1,000 up to $5,000. You see, one of the things you're going to want to take into consideration when you're out looking at properties is what are all of these costs going to be per month, because that will ultimately decide your budget. Most people don't even think about the homeowners insurance that they're going to need until they're already under contract, and then they end up with sticker shock.
So most people, when they start to think that they'd like to purchase a home, they begin their search online and they start playing with mortgage calculators, and they put in their budgets and they see how much the payments are going to be. But believe me, those calculators do not include all the costs associated with purchasing a house. So many times we bring buyers out and they see the home of their dreams, and then once we break down all the costs with them, they're devastated because they can't afford it. And it's a very sad day. So don't let that happen to you.
So we hope this video helped you determine all of the costs associated with your monthly payment, so you can budget and even leave room to buy those new shoes.
Yeah, and somebody has a lot of shoes. But seriously, please contact us if we can help you at any time. We love helping people put that budget together to make sure you can find the perfect place, but also to help you avoid falling in love with that house and finding out later you can't afford it. Please don't hesitate to contact us. We hope you have a great day. I'm Tim Meagher. This is my amazing wife, Heather. Keep up the good work.